Okay. I come from a fully inclusive school where children with developmental delays and typically developing children are educated together in the same classroom. The Montessori environment is fantastic for all the children, but we noticed that the children with developmental delays were not picking up reading as quickly as we would hope. And so our school found a program that we felt would help us to help engage these children in reading. So my research was to find out what happens when we use funds of knowledge information, which is finding out from children and parents what their experiences are, what their culture is, what their passions and interests are, and using that information to make personal books for the children. I did a case study action research project. I used 3 children with developmental delays from my early childhood classroom. They were ages 4, 5, and 6. And through this process, I found that doing this program using personal books and funds of knowledge helped to increase student engagement, especially over time. The longer they participated, the more engaged they were. And this engagement increased their confidence. They became confident trying new things and new activities, in telling their peers and teachers about what they were learning. And they also became very interested in other literacy activities, which had been lacking before. Before, they would avoid literacy at all costs. After they started to develop this confidence and started to learn, they were the first ones in line to come to a lesson or try new things. And over time, they increased also in their academic growth, which was measured from a few formal assessments and also informal assessments in the classroom. This research, I believe, can be explained in part through the constructivist theory that humans learn through experiences and through social situations, through sensorial exploration. And the implications for Montessori educators and other educators is that by using this funds of knowledge information, it helps them to understand their students and their families much better in a culturally relevant way. It helps them make materials in the classroom that increase student engagement by making learning relevant to them. And it's also, it allows us to support our Montessori curriculum in a way that is effective for all students.